Most common biliary complication of laparoscoliocystomy is bile duct leak from cystic duct stump. Most common benign rib lesion in an adult is fibrous dysplasia. Most common biliary complication in liver transplantation is obstruction or stenosis at anastomosis. Most common benign soft tissue tumor of the foot is plantar fibromatosis hemangioma. Most common bladder neoplasia in children younger than 10 years is rhabdomyosarcoma. Most common cause of intraventricular hemorrhage is disruption of a subepidermal veins. Most common cause of thoracic outlet syndrome is Scales anticus. Most common cyst of the jaw is radicular cyst, pericarpial cyst. Most common germ cell tumor associated with excessive HCG production after choriocarcinoma is dysgerminoma. Most common intramedullary spinal neoplasia in adult is epidermoma of spinal cord. Most common cardiac valvular tumor is papillary fibroelastoma. Most common cause of strep sign of VQ-scan is COPD. Most common bone to develop on osteochondroma is femur, tibia. Second most common cause of intestinal and air space edema is chronic heart failure. Most common cyanotic congenital heart malformation beyond neonatal period is tetralogy of Fallot. Most common germ cell tumor associated with excessive HCG production is choriocarcinoma. Most common intracranial presentation of TB is tuberculosis meningitis. Most common predisposing disorder of secondary spontaneous pneumothorax is COPD. Most common cardiac manifestation of systemic lupus erythematosus is pericarditis. Most common brain anomaly on parental sonograms is isolated mild ventriculomegaly. Most common cause of pulmonary renal syndrome is microscopic phalangitis. Most common pregnancy-related mortality in first trimester is ectopic pregnancy. Most common non-traumatic cause of acute limp in children is toxic synovitis. Most common cause of intradiaphragmatic cyst is extralobular sequestration. Most common presentation for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis dyspnea. Most common presentation of idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis is dyspnea. Most common intracranial site for teratomas is pineal region. Most common genitourinary organ affected by neurofibromas is urinary bladder. Most common location of DAI is frontotemporal gray white matter junction. Most common corporal dislocation is transxiphoid periurinate dislocation. Most common cause of testicular swelling is hydrocele. Most common breast tumor under age of 25 years is fibroadenoma. Most common presentation in Stark-Watson syndrome is monochronic and diamniotic. Most common internal enchantment pattern in DCIS with non-mass like enchantment is clump enchantment. Most common presentation of bronchoalveolar cell carcinoma is solitary pulmonary nodule. Most common cause of increased natural thickness is Down syndrome. Most common cause of SAV syndrome is bronchogenic carcinoma. Most common cardiac tumor in children is rhabdomyoma. Most common location of coronary classification is LAD. Most common presentation of GIST on cross-sectional imaging is cystic areas of necrosis. Most common fungal infection in AIDS is Cryptococcus. Most common pineal tumor is pineal germinoma.